Nokia 6600 disassembly. You need SS12, a SRT6 and 9, metal tweezers, and a T6 Plus driver. Be sure to be connected to your ESD wristband. Take away the C cover. Remove camera ornament with SRT6 only. Use a second one to twist the camera ornament easier. Protect camera window with a film. Put the phone into SS12. Start at this mark near the system connector to release the A cover by use of SRT6. Use like a blade with moderate force only to prevent damages at the A cover. Pull up the A cover. Protect inner side window and LCD with a film. Remove keypad and joystick hat. Release 4 screws in the order shown. Remove phone from SS12. Do not twist SRT6 while releasing the 4 plastic clips. No force is required to remove complete module from B cover. Carefully release LCD connector by the use of SRT6. Remove LCD module. Remove protection film before releasing the LCD top shield. Always protect LCDs with a film. No additional force is required to remove the LCD. Removing grounding clip with tweezers. Release the clamps of baseband shielding gasket first. Then pull out with tweezers. Prevent damages while pressing out earpiece with Torx driver slowly. To prevent damages of spring contacts, use the SS12 to remove VGA camera with the release side of SRT9. Remove antenna ASSI from B cover by use of SRT6. Removal of power key is easy. Lever out the vibromotor. And IR window by use of tweezers. Remove system connector. And push out the microphone with Torx driver. To remove locking lever, bring it in the middle position first, and push from other side with moderate force. Now removing of locking lever becomes easy and disassembly procedure is complete.